Wird das halt noch was? Kreuzkruzifix. Es ist wieder was. Well, hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on this episode 251 on the DefNation4Real account on PlayStation Network. I'm just here just for a short time, short distance, cause it's very cold outside. And it's right about now we have 10 degrees here in my room. And I think in 2 hours or something of stopping up in here, we should actually get a 2 or 3 degrees then. So until the sun is actually being a little bit focused in my room, like you see actually Max's hair's a little bit on fire. Let's just see where this goes. So we have already a glitch career since actually last year, the 5th December, I think. So let's see where we're going today with these 40 chapters we have to want to do done on the season. Already 36 or 37 chapters. Let's check it out. It just continues wisely. Actually, I was going through the 28 days train wreck survivor and a bit the Elder Scrolls already did away. Nonsensely GTA 5 episode 17. I'll be right back actually after 2.5 days on these Asphalt Legends Unite, and maybe it's a CarX drift racing episode coming up as well after this one, or maybe I'm frozen away, need a shower and a sleep. Let's just see what's going on. So first up, of course, the setup actually of the live stream. Like always, it takes a little time. Oh hell, what the heck? What is wrong with these cell phones these days? Or have I no profile anymore on my fingers that are
Hello.
dealing done some stuff, you know, on my cell phone, but it's actually not really wants to get actually tied down below here. Oh, it's a disaster. There we go. Okay, number 1 here. This one. Asphalt. So these game loft just wrote me back for a couple of days and just asked me about these kind of date stamp where that happened, that I just was getting 100% career mode completed, and I just watched a little bit for a couple of an hour ago. I closely can find it, but I need more research to send them actually when that happened. And I hope to have some backups actually for that time at starting of December. So it's a month actually gone, I think. I think that 4th time platinizing the Asphalt Legends Unite account here on DefNation4Real is just gone. And I think we have first stopped it after that 40 season challenges in Korea or something to get the second lost trophy, or we have to start all over again on this account to let them know actually, please can you just do me a favor, deleting on your servers actually my account, my save, actually better save for this account on PlayStation Network, and starting all over again in 3 months, where actually $10 was actually included in here, and a lot of work. Even helped out from my other accounts to donate actually this account for some wild cards. I'm not sure about that one, if I should do that, but not actually this week, because kind of I just want to connect them when I feel actually find actually the episode where I got actually these 43 or 50% actually career mode completed, before actually just say we have no backup anymore, because it just did too many actually sign in stuff this game the last month. Well, let's just see what's gonna happen, you know. Alright, cheers up, Kappa, and the I think today is Monday, the 5th January. Too good to say, actually, already I was working today a little bit. Yesterday was a crazy day. I was woke up in the morning time, starting to clean actually my kitchen completely, behind the oven, behind the freezer, fridge, or fridge, whatever it's called. And going through my dishes a little bit, like every year one time, you know. Sometimes there's a little dirt here and there you don't see, because mostly actually at night time I'm doing the dishes. And I came on the idea actually to clean the floor, and I was going to the shower, better say, before that happened. And I saw actually crack, just what's it calling in English, you know, the stuff actually in wall and the wooden roof and stuff, and I tried to clean and kill them actually with a spray, some chlor spray, and it's just that was hitting me actually a half hour long. Then I was going to shower and everything was cleaned up, so came actually kind of yesterday's 3.5 hours or something on work in my apartment before my first live stream was going online. It's weird. Every day there's something I find. A little bit here, a little bit there. But if you just in work, came home lately or something, you don't see that, you know. You're really not into this. I'm here right now, the 3rd week at home. This is the 3rd week, better say. So, yeah. Whenever I see the compound of my boss actually in the construction work there, construction area, oh gosh, there's so a lot of work to be done with on inside. But the problem is it's too cold. We have a -5 degrees right now outside, and even the forklift, that was wonderful. It was started by the first turn of the battery, so... Something on here? I think I hear myself as in this crap. Nah. So that was wonderful. Just opened a beer, started to smoke, checked out the ashtray. Just, ashtray, I mean, yeah, just like that.
Hi.
On the woodcut facility. And so I just came on the idea, oh, let's drink a beer and smoke one before we started up to refill the woodcut facility. He again. Sup, mate? You know, in Germany
Where is D.A. Shark?
Just saying actually hi is like where's the shark, because hi is a German word, like hi is shark, you know, this is the translation.
The child. Hi, if you meet some German douche means actually shark, ... so where D.A. Shark?
The child.
Just an inside joke, dude.
Oh, hold on, is that the kid with the dishes?
You kid, what's up?
Let's see.
How's the dishes doing?
After you tell me that stuff, 2 days later I crashed these dishes on the floor, my mother just slapped me in the face. Well, not a good idea to try to start up to clean the dishes. I have 2 left hands. Alright, let's check out the account.
On top of skeleton. Giver Mac has burnout.
Yeah, something like that. Claim the rewards. First up, claim actually the VIP pack, right?
-5 coincide with Bitsun.
Let me check. Already.
In my room about today now 10k.
As for a couple of, I think that was a week ago, right? As I was saying, in the night time, actually, I have in my room a 1 degree, and outside was actually a 7 degree. But today it's okay to stream a bit in here, to open up the window, have the ventilation system running, get the smoke outside, you know. Donate to who? Donate to my platinum council wood. Let's do it then. You never know. Oh, look at that, we can claim something. I reach a club reputation by myself with a 25 plus. Congratulations after 2 weeks or something. 2.5, 3 weeks? I don't know. I think that's the last week actually anyway. Oh, not much people's actually playing that game anymore. Always I'm actually 40,000 or something. Now I'm at 29,000 as a single player. What the hell? Oh yeah, here, season ends in 2 days. Let's claim that bastard. So what happened there? This happened today? Gosh, how worse I was. Ik zag campagne, als wel iets uit dit kort prestatie naar shot. Maar ik heb hem wel weer een X spelen. Jetzt falls man da war, den nächsten Tag. Die Folge jetzt aber noch anfangen. Boah, ist das kalt. Because I'm a complete retard, we better go actually for you again and claim the other reward. It's the same daily challenges, but whatever. 60%, that's much better. 150. So how longer you take actually on the road, how better your score gets or wood. The other one was 1 minute 20 or something, about 90%, and 60% by 1 minute 50 or something. So until next time 10 minutes, maybe I get actually these 5% or something. That is negative thinking or something. Bullshit. Are these holy days not over yet? I already did that. Win the race. Look, there's something we can maybe deal done with. McLaurin. Is it so? First vehicle we can a little bit. Is that calling pumping up? Let's see. Ah, that must be enough. Upgrade a car. Seems to be we did it. Let's try out then. The first run actually of the 2.5 days, we are actually normally losing in here. That 3 weeks I tried it a lot, couldn't win. Hands up, it's up with Niklaus. You get robbed. Oh my gosh. More than once a day. I didn't even touch that stuff. Stupid turbines. Sure. Koenigsegg. What do you think you're doing? Thank you, man. Was it too slow for you or what? Check your dial home. Ah, sorry, mate. I think your trunk was opened up or something's cracked. Oh, I'm always going into this crack. Oh, sure. Couldn't go nowhere anymore that time. Ah, we lost the first position. One mistake, just one little mistake is over. I say so, I can't win that stuff. This is what the hell, one mistake and it's just gone. And that was not even my mistake, I couldn't actually go anywhere anymore. Left or right, it was going strange actually on that bubble group wall there, whatever that is. In Japan, right, so it must be a plastic wall or something. First race. With these things, man. What you say? Congratulations, she's dead. What? Ah, TikTok sucks these moments all the time. Seriously. Ah, I forgot actually to swag in one. Boy, I need to go to the toilet again or something. It would be then the 7th time today. Oh, these hot noodles there, they say always hot, they're actually very spicy. So, you know that feeling if you open up a window, want to close your door and actually diffusing some air actually through your door and you can't close the door? That was actually, I was sitting the first time today on toilet and it was actually 300 km/h is actually a fart. And like the butter was running out, like I don't know, I feel actually a complete stomach was coming out of my butt crack. After all, it hurt so much because yesterday I was eating more than a kilogram hot spicy noodles. God's sake. Some life jam. You just want to go in there, you have a little
Some
luck
live jam Spotify in here going on, URL.
Press that link if you have Spotify, you can listen what I'm listening, you can change the tracks, have fun. And I'm researching made the toilet then after one race again. So this is not actually, let's say it's 2 days, okay, crack. So we can't actually overlock these cars anymore. It's a bad idea, I already did. I think we got enough money, which is fun. Somebody actually quick up. Make these daily challenges go. Seems to be good to look. Only a 5k. How less are you already invested in this cars or something? Or how less of money you just need to spend actually for all these daily goals to give away. So it's nice to know. That's why I'm not upgrading every car to the max. Excuse myself. I'm already tired, man. 7 hours actually awake. Oh crap, here we go, the fart stars. So before I just need to go actually to pee. Morning time, still up. It just was saying, let's go to the supermarket before going actually to the construction area, the compound. Better say. I just was saying, oh come on, let's watch a video and just sleep again. So I was actually already wake up and just eat a bit, cleaned up the dishes, checked actually things, you know, these emails or whatever they're called. Cell phones, but actually for next week, then actually a ring up for the morning time at 6:00. Even was writing something on my cell phone like Sunday in the morning at 8 o'clock. Stop eating, have a drink or something, and move a bit. That Monday you're not always bunkering actually a toilet full actually of these construction areas. Like to let them know who's boss on toilet. Like that word. Because every Monday or something Sunday I'm eating so much that Monday is like I'm going to work. Or more, it feels like actually you're going to work because actually you're finding a toilet and cheaper actually getting toilet paper to use. Instead of staying home and just shit out yourself there. Oh, crack. Hustle weeks. For the live stream, I was 1 hour actually in research and just dealing on commentaries and dealing on commentaries to other subscribers. Better say, I mean, what's I calling them? The subs I just used to be in there, and just already get answers and likes and stuff. And I was smoking one cigarette, and I was smoking that 45 minutes long. I say, hey, it's the same cigarette we started up actually dealing done with YouTube and emails, you know. So, oh my shit. Even I listened to my own crap, you know, these Sinless GTA 5 70 episode and these TikTok I was watching, and even my DjVolgin Maucher Dasein, what the hell, and yeah. I'm not happy about this music, what I did, actually, these hip-hop stuff, rap there in German. So it is weird. It was actually a long time ago. So we're talking about 18 years? 16 to 18 years? Oh my gosh. I was a little childish. Definitely. It was about between 20 and 23, man. I think that's okay. Now I'm an old sack. This year actually gaining 39. If that's true, I'm not sure anymore. Need to check actually my personal ID. The only thing what I know, the personal ID actually, I gave an update last year for $37. Alright, rise up. Cheers up, Kapana, Schwabe, Zivi, Salut, Goldbrost, die next Spim. Taraimas, by the way. Oh. Get the cat, man, it's not moving. Ja, das geht auch mal gar nicht. What are you dealing done in here? The hell, that shit. I think it's the tequila or something that's pushing in and says actually, hey, that's cool. That's not cool. Definitely better. Stupid sun outside. Take a nip of tequila for sake. Don't drink and drive in reality, okay? Always seatbelt on, yeah. You know, the most person actually watching in here, they're under 18 years, so. Grapefruit, or actually water, tap water or something. When I'm holding actually these live streams about racing, talking. The most actually then I'm smoking and drinking. The rest of my live streams actually, I'm eating salad as a mess. Like 10 kilograms a day. Can't bottom us. What's going on in here? 3 motor rollers or something? Open up your trunk then. Question, no driver. Okay, that's the other thing, but why am I already 5th? Thought actually be 2nd and 1st. What's going on in here? Kind of sound like actually where it belongs to be myself. Oh, because at least it's the lost place. Kind of stupid position. What you dealing done with that car? Trying to go to the wreck yard, y'all. Sir, the door's still open. Try to close it. Hope you're good with the neck bruises or something. I'm still fit. It's the first position for sake. ay, ay, ay. That was awful. I think that was actually these kind of minutes I just was holding up and just stick up the battery in PowWow'theCat's butt crack. That was counting. Even I was pushing on a pause, but they don't care. Cheers up, good night. Oh my gosh. Watch my paint job, man. I think, what? Finished the race? We didn't do that? We did. 10 times. It's like, I just want to have that actually when we have 10,000 or something. Just for fun to have 100,000k actually on there. This never happened. As I say, my most credits I get in here that was on DefNation CB account, it was 72,000. Whatever that is. Evil ticket. How could it be actually so slow? It was 50 in the end or something. Sake. There's some music running in the background of the game. I really can't hear it. What's these beat some time and stuff like that? But look at the Nissan 370 Nismo to get a Volkswagen. A 130 with a Nissan? I'm not sure about that one. Where's my Nissan? Oh my gosh. It says it's maxed out. Maxed out. Is that German? What are you talking about? It's a maxed out. Something that just may helps up a bit. 130. I'm not sure about that one. Even the car's still in stock. Let's see me losing. Tschüss, abgefahren, das war ein bisschen so gut. Oh, ich verliere die Lippen schon langsam zusammen. That's how that's how is America actually dealing down with the trash, waiting for a hurricane. Oh. Such bullshit. What else? I think it's not my day or something. I'm sleeping. No wonder that's why I don't have a license drive. The cab driver of your trust. Used to be the Doom. Oh my gosh, what is that? Even full speed. That truck was a cement block. The point is just actually the sun rises on my plasma TV. And the half I don't see, it's reflecting to myself back. So that's why. I'm not actually sleeping, I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm good. Well, most of the screen I don't see, especially if it's gonna be dark or something on the race game. It's gonna be cruel, but I give up. Oh my gosh, I can't beat the 130. If I'm not actually hanging around with trucks or truck drivers, actually. But as I say, my TV is covered in sun. Reflecting back. That was a shocking moment, god damn it. The 30 minute already. Oh, for the race, that's good. 1 in 10 minutes. I'm really sleeping or something is happening. Scheduled? No way. It's not scheduled. The sun is scheduled, definitely. Our future is good to play actually right now. Oh, we couldn't beat down one. Whatever. And the other one was like, yeah, I have to win, right? No. I win the race. I didn't won. Did I won the race? Oh yeah, I won the race. Oh, I didn't. I couldn't watch there. It was like actually the time's running out. I was seeing actually the 1:30 and I'd say, oh shit. We won the race. Nah, later on that crack. Just having a good day. Yesterday the chlor actually kind of smell was what the hell. And then I was in the shower and even smelled that in. I was yesterday a little bit shiny in my eyes, like red eyes. Chlorhydrate there, whatever. Today I feel a little bit lighter after 7 times actually going to the toilet. Just having hard decisions to make. Slow up or just let it run and have no toilet anymore. Or a hole in it. I'm good, I'm fine. So after 2.5 days drinking alcohol again is always fine ass to start up with these. So please do not do that what I'm dealing done with, because the most actually people's actually watching the underage. It's just when I do racing games in 2008 I like to drink actually beer and smoking my cigarette, listen to music and having a bit fun, chilling out, you know. The other live streams actually made by, I normally have actually a route to go, but in here it's just came with games. So that's the actually what's coming up next. Normally I just want to go to the career mode, but I like these daily goals actually to do done or challenges. Yeah, we missed the sponsorship since 2 days. Sorry for that one. Was busy in other games. Over 4 accounts. Game Rush 28 days. Train wreck actually 4 times platinized. Then the Elder Scrolls and just played another games actually. I didn't live stream. Was busy at home as well. Saturday. What kind of sponsorship you want? So in 2 days I'm drinking anyway, so today is a drinking day, tomorrow is maybe a drinking day, but I'm not sure about that one. That's 3 days? 3 days, okay, yeah, whatever. Just be sure you wanna confirm it. I just watched Baiju actually making fun out of it. What the hell, of course I want. Isolations. Claim some packs. If we won first, I always forget that in the actually already 33 minutes just gone, right? I always forget the free pack in here for sake. Already less than 2.5 hours then left, or 3.5 hours. 2.5, 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. Sake. Sometimes my live streams are going over 3 hours actually in here. Or maybe not right now, because I just really want to play CarX actually on this account DefNation4Real as well. After that one. So I didn't claim all these 5. Hell, I'm doing done this. Watching these buttons actually for claiming instead of pressing on them. I think my legend pass already run out as well, or is it actually 2 days? In 2 days? Yeah, I think in 2 days it runs out. So I just threw out actually on the window 4 days from the legend pass. What's wrong with that stuff? And comes back a bit. Not even windy out there. Sometimes, when a month's on and up, watch these. Sometimes one of these are free. Saw it twice actually on these 4 times actually these accounts I'm using. sometimes these packs, sometimes for free. I don't know why. Maybe for maintain servers actions or something. And they don't let you know. So check up all the things actually once in a week completely. Sometimes you're shocked. There's actually a 65 asphalt points or tokens, actually a free pack for you. No joke. That's for a whole week then. Nothing came to nothing. Don't need these cards. Maybe that's for... But already going through with these. Oh, let's see. Maybe later on. What kind of car we need to depend on. It's a 5 hours, then they're changing it. So in these 5 hours they're doing the career ride, and then I'm coming back and say, alright, I need a little bit in here on the blueprints. And then you just should actually buy these stuff. Kind of money cash it, gosh, it's that loud. Money cash in game, scam game, so every step you just even done in here, you have to think before you just even done it. To speed up a little bit of your progress. Alright, career, your little glitched one. Let's see what's going on. Before we've even done that one, I just need to check out how many seasons you need to be done with. Doing that over the challenges. It says 3 career seasons we need to complete to get actually this gold trophy. As you see, actually to check back later for more goals. The music is so loud actually on my Spotify. Hold on. There we go. This is already glitched by the server. I came back actually from this Königsegg Chimera event. And next, one day later in the morning time, I checked actually out of my progress to get the VIP pack and all this stuff. Kind of a pre-work before actually doing a live stream later than 5 hours later or something. When I decided actually to drink alcohol or something. And so I saw already 100% career? Oh, please no. So as the Königsegg Chimera event just came in, somehow the server just glitched actually in my career mode. What the hell was that? Not be rude or something, but I'm sitting on toilet. I had these windy days, you know. This chicken noodles, they say all the time in the package, hot. Actually very spicy. Yesterday on the Elder Scrolls Online, I just was slurp actually 3 of them. So kind of a 2 kilograms because the big packages. And my mind always say, oh, that's not enough, do another one in there. Really? You have too much water into your pan. Do another one in there. And then, oh hell, we have so many vegetables actually in my fridge. Let's cut them and just get them in there as well. Now it seems to be actually it's not spicy enough. What happened actually was doing the more spicy in there actually from the other packages, just get it away. Because you know you get cologne problems actually. So today this is the 8th time I'm sitting in the toilet. Kind of 7.5 hours. Hell no. I'm running out of toilet paper or something. Take a clean the toilet so good. I don't need to brush it anymore. The hands, yeah. What about cleaning your face? Who the hell is that in the mirror? Kind of ugly man or something. There's actually in Germany these GTN the men or something. Germany's next top model, or what was that calling? GNTM. There's something actually negative about that one. Kind of say actually, is there some the ugliest German's top model? I would be win that one. I should be grabbing a beer. The most ugliest German's next top model, dude. That prize goes on me then 2026. Baby. That's hard to suffer, but it's easy to do, right? Especially you have a grumpy or hateful actually construction work day, not going to shower, go to sleep actually with your work shoes or something, boots, dirty trousers and stuff like that. Still, his face looks like actually like 3 days he was in a party, actually in a kind of farm hood or something. Dumped in your face and actually kind of a... Yeah, whatever. Just, I should stop talking crap. Exactly. Tadaimasu, Data Japana song. So, 3 career seasons left. Get it done. When there is no... Actually, the car's running out. See how far we can go in here. Until we get actually another season open up, and then using the other 2 seasons they're still open. Rome. Once the capital of the world. Huh. A hard decision, eh? Aren't it? Let's probably pump that car a little bit up for fun. Asterion. What happened? No joke. Ganbarimasu. First beer today. Second beer. Sorry, come on, it was the first one. These are shockwaves. Oh my gosh. Well, you get the trash out. I need a little time to get into this game again, it feels like. I should definitely, if I have a license for a car, not drive today, actually, a vehicle. It will end up like that as well on the real road. I'm even starting up to drink for sake. I'm not good today, actually, in this racing game. No. Crashing everything. No style. Must be 4 cents there, or whatever it is. Keep it. $4. For die laken. Just give you $3, you keep me up by 33,000, and the rest of $1. You keep it actually for fun. What the hell of that stuff you doing that? That's business by you in Germany? Yeah, sure. $1 for $1,000. What? Just kidding. That's the industry about actually keeping up, kind of say. You want to own some house, but I need actually some proposition as well. Win the race, perfect nitros and shockwave something away. That's not a shoot. What's the other one car? Is that a C car? Oh, it's an A car, but it's actually so slow. Bah. I don't want to try it out until they actually force me to deal down that car. And see, we can't even overclock that vehicle anymore because I'm out of resources actually. What do you want from us? The car rank reflects the performance. Your current rank is below the recommended blah 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 blah. Is it? No. It will be difficult to win the race. No joke, what happened here? Scam again. No, we have only 6 tickets actually for the overclock. That was actually over 140 or something I just did, but over that 3 weeks I used it very much. So, as I say, actually, I don't want to race that shall we? It's just slow in corners. I know I'm not winning this one, but let's do. Why not? My hand's just starting up to get actually a little bit cold and wild, but everything's cool. Yeah, buddy. She's auch keine Straße, wie so gut kostet, die nicht geschaut. Barf, barf. Cheers. Come on, speed up your vehicle, mate. What's wrong with this gas pedal? God damn it! It's like so many control stuff actually in there that the car is not flipping 180 or tires not being through like ABS, SC control systems and whatever. Also, the car like feels like actually you're about 6,000 actually RPM all the time. Get up to a 10,000 RPM, for fuck's sake. That's why some cars, the electronic cars, actually being in drift very fast. Because they don't give a fuck. They know actually their tires are going through. But hey, we won. That was... what the hell? Didn't expect. Cheers. A wolf in a sheep pelt. You couldn't say it better, grandson. Oh, dang. Did that stuff run up my boots already? Everything's good, grandfather. Can you walk? Oh, shit. Oh, that's real shit. The faster option again. Don't blink once. Just win the race. Madamas. Son. Ni. Ich. Ray. Uzo. What's with this traffic these days? demon in my room. It wasn't me. Can somebody use warning? Traffic security, I think actually they lose. Get the garbage away all the time on the roads. 64 you want to have? Here we go. 65. Let's say 65. Yeah, I know these are. There's these 2% plus or something. I don't know. Whatever it is. I think these 3 weeks never reached actually over 62 or something. Definitely a picture worth. As they saw actually you won already in here. The traffic security in Italy just saying actually, hey, what's up? You're cleaning the roads? Give me all your winning money. And plus extra 200k. Oh, what happened there? I never was there in the race. Never saw me there. You saw your grumpy face in the finish line, sir. We photographed you. Damn it. Just was grumpy because actually I was close to shit myself. Yeah, I'm standing in front of the toilet and waiting actually something happened there. In India, maybe you're just saying, oh, waiting for the snake through the toilet. Just suck you away. Keeps your little noodle holding it for yourself. Snake was a little bit thirsty. It's a win-win, you know. India, if you started up actually going to a river and just peeing into, nobody's watching you, or actually people's washing his clothes. Snake's running into your dick. Bit you, waits for actually to pee, having some drink, and you just get drunk. I mean poisoned, actually. A win-win. You poison drunk, the snake's happy as well. Have some minerals. Oh my god. That's how I'm thinking. Don't be so rude on Earth. Maybe the Earth is rude on you, or was already as you born. I don't know. Keep on moving forward. I think that depends actually on the stages where you're driving. If you win or not win actually with a lower car. How higher your rank on a car is, like rank A, and you have 1 star. As you see on the rank B, your star actually have rise actually on 3 stars. Then you already know actually you should take the car with more stars instead actually lesser stars, but have a higher rank or something like A. But this is actually suicide I'm doing. I can't normally win, but consistency is the key as well here in the game.
Hi.
Where's the shark? You again. Clean the dishes. Brought the garbage out. Looking again? Why? What happened to you, man? Sleep or something?
No.
Cigarettes with filters, I just get the filter away, and I need to smoke them right now because I have too much of them. Nothing you did? Oh, come on, dude. Let's do the suicide mission then. 8 seconds. Okay. Maybe don't gonna win this one. He's gone right now and get the garbage right now because actually 2 watches already. She jumped in here with 13 watches. Suicide mission, and I won. I can't believe it. Even the beginning, actually, the other contender actually was stretched me into. I couldn't actually go forward with speed. Keep stretching my shirt or something like the soccer players, you know, or rugby players. Not going forward anymore, holding you up aside. Holy shit! In the end, the car, you feel really the power about the nitro already. Wants to do that and get the power out of this 800 horsey or something vehicle. Something holds that car's always back. Since San Francisco the same, if you're just driving actually on 70% on the whole road and 70% actually, you started to go forward, and then your car actually somehow on a space like up the hills to these compounds there. Like actually your car goes from 200 to 150 back, like you really want to speed up, but it's not going forward. As the game says, there's a brake for actually you or something. I don't know. You can speed up whatever you want, but it needs so much power for the car. There's some places actually on stages in this race game I can't explain. As even it's going downhill or something, and the car slows down somehow. Even you speed up. I don't know what's going on. No, 10 times multiplication should be right. 130,000 then. Never happened. Bastardo. Hold me back at the beginning. But so many actually cars just crashed here for no reason. On a multiplayer, I actually stay where I was started. Drift action. You got if you want. Win the race and drift a bit. What's with these 12? Event storage, shingle all the way. Yeah, let's check it out. See, there's a free pack. I'll let you know about that one. Just check all these packages out. And there's already a free package for stake. But shit, there's more. Crazy. Now you have to buy something to get the next pack for free. Money cash in, I would say. I would say. So what about the Ferrari? Don't have something in the Ferrari in here, right? So it says 3 holiday tokens. This is another 1,000 actually for 100. Where my asphalt tokens gone? Thought it was about 1,800? No? Well, we tried it. Nothing in there. As it says, 234 asphalt tokens. So in the end, you not even can grab the 12 blueprints. Forget about it. It's too much. The car is it worth? Yeah, definitely. It is. For his A class rank, yeah, it is. Got the maximized out that on Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account. Definitely worth. For the sake is for drift. Need a consistent core. $14 and 4 minutes after. It's 2:05 PM here right now. My gosh, I'm falling always in this trick. But always... whatever. Now we're not winning this one anyway. Just very well luck, yeah. Oh well, 40%, maybe you can win. What the hell just happened? Did I touch it? The finish line appears in a second. Oh, we can't win. I told you that. We can't win. Okay, whatever. I know that. You know, if you just didn't done too much drift, then it's over. Everything's good. Let's do the fun rally then. Especially that one crash, man. What the fuck? One mistake and it's over. You can't win anymore. It's always the same. Sometimes you can crash. Yeah, that was so stupid because I was actually watching the drift, how many or whatever. That's why I gave up. To explain myself what just happened. Whoa! Not a reason to drive the Ferrari. No, Ferrari. Oh, come on. Cheers. Campana Schwab, is a little loot gold prost die next beam. Just drop your ass. Okay. Strange driving. Don't touch something. Don't drift, don't do nothing, just race. The fuck? Really don't touch them. And we can't win again. Wow, this car actually, front of us is just too far. In the end of the 80%, if you're not actually first, you're not gonna win this one. But sometimes the AI just rubber band actually so far away from you, you have no chance. But this is gonna be a close one. I'm on the sideway. Yeah, okay, I win. Because somehow, if you're just first in the end of 80 to 100%, they let you win. I don't know why. So in the 80% at least, you need to be first, and then you win. By full paddling through, of course. I'm right now on 8 months actually on 4 accounts. 3 times platinized. This account can't be get platinized anymore. Cause the server of Game Love just cheaped me out. Talk to them, they just want to know when that happened, and then they want to back up actually my account. And back up my account means actually I lose all my progress maybe. So that's why I just want to make done and seriously done the 40 career seasons to get that gold trophy before they actually back up my account to the 5th December 2025. The first up, the hard work, and another hard work to get 800 flags again from 668 flags that was at that time. That's okay, that's okay. The first up actually with my legend pass, I just want to do done the other gold trophy. So not making the progress actually overdoing a week more. But Game Love was very responsible on me. That music again. That well-entitled girl. Stop at the same age. She is actually already 48 now. The fart, but actually there was no fart. There was actually some wind comes out, but I was not sure if that's diarrhea now. So it was just a fart, but very silent. That hot noodles. Spicy noodles, better say. Read it, sir. Win the race. Damn it. I don't like the color of the car, man. I don't want to change it right now because the next effort actually coming up for next cars say the same, and you have to stay on that until actually the 40 season to win. May I want to change these cars then. To have a little bit what he's calling customized talk and left. They say lol, right? They say no goal. They say lol. If you don't reach the finish line, it's just a... That's all. I'm gonna pee again. Don't ask me why it's cold. And somehow I feel actually, after the first beer, I need to run again. 43 seconds. What? Be right back again. But actually, I hold up the microphone anyway. Just 20 meters. Thick walls. Smells so good in here. Watching up. And the roof is so wide. How that happened? This stupid wooden roof. That's an old building where I'm living in. But the whole year actually, I'm not cleaning actually my, what's it calling, these plasters here and there. So, also here and there, but now it's all gone. These these kind of bacteria virus is going up in the air and stays on the wood and stuff like that. Das heißt denn Schimmel auf English? Wasn't much actually, but I cleaned it up and now it's shiny as hell. Another 10 years to live in here? Definitely. So easy work, right? Du bist aber Schimmel auf Englisch heißen würde, for sake. Taraimas, welcome back. Nudity calendars. Sure. Cigarette says, time for a normal one. Wild filter, eh? 40 times. I miss out. Going up for 30k. I'm so sorry. Four stunts and win. But this is gonna be a close one to that one. But let's try, just for fun. Not a quitter. Jeg har kampagner så vi til, så vi skal på the next beam. Wonderful. Can already was empty. Fast. Done the itch. Right, done by the nuts. That was weird. Normally get set back actually a complete track. What the fuck, that's the ending already? Oh, that was just luck of one. Holy shit. How that just happened? Is my microphone too loud? Let me just know. I can prove that all the times because it's a PlayStation 4 Pro actually live stream. And if I just want to prove it, I need to actually get a little bit out and then the advise mode and adjusting actually the microphone all the times when you're not actually being in a live stream. It's bullshit. How the hell this just happened? I was jumping, I failed to jump. Normally you go back to the jump pad there. But then let me actually go forward with that stuff. Insane that I see actually already the stage was over. Actually I ate Psn or something. That was just happily to say luck. I thought actually I don't win in here, but that was just luck to win. Nice. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking of 39k. Impressive. Oh gosh. That's our new season. escaping. Oh, holy crack. Let us sorry, tequila in my mouth. Just just let us actually end up these season career 37. I think it is. It's time to shark race. Go on. Gonna be grumpy. Garbage can playing. Korea season 37 done. Since I'm not a Prime member on Amazon anymore, every fucking hour I get 2 times commercial. We have right now -3 degrees, okay. Room says 7 degrees. I was even going up with the temperature out there, but actually one temperature was going down below my room. Oh god. Yeah, exactly. That's how we doing right now, huh? So it's the C-Cars. It's a nice vehicle, powered up. I normally should win that stuff, but that's the favorite. This gun actually to the garbage can. Pump up the wiper a little bit. little bit, not much. It's too much. We're already reaching the end of the first actually race in that season. Because they're activating actually a BS A class on these security cars. You're not gonna win this one anyway. So it's recommended rank. If you have 1500, close to win it. But over 2000, this is much too much. They're using hard cars. Hard rules. Yeah, I saw you. What the hell? How do you know about that? Nice trailer they got. Drifting is a good option actually about against the police there, or security guys there. To calm yourself down and have already in a reputation actually a good nitro filling. But as you saw on the Rhino, I tried actually to follow that car Rhino there, you know, this truck there. And then that Rhino pumps up his nitro as well, and at the same time I pumped. How the hell should he know? That was not fair. So I immediately stop and drift a little bit more and then just brakes again and then pop him up. Like an old garbage bag. Actually, you don't want to actually throw into the garbage, it's actually into the neighborhood. The screens. What the hell, son? I'm your grandfather. Why you just did that? Oh, sorry, wrong direction. You're not the hated neighbor that I know. You're very good and well over the Christmas days. Fantastic. Need another beer. Another beer needs another toilet visiting. I should actually get all my beers actually into the toilet or by close by toilet. I have these racing games on, shoveling it out of the wall, saying, "Alright, freeze bridge, bitch, beer." Hold on, freeze the beer. You actually are thrown over the toilet and you're waiting actually for yourself. Don't forget the beer to go actually into the live stream again. You need a beer and then up your toilet. You just actually have some, I don't know, D.R.O that she actually can pop out of the wall and cold beer comes to you. You're done with peeing, grab one, get it back, goes back to the live stream. That should be a nice option. A toilet with integrated beer holders or fridge. But I have one way to go all the times, from A to B, from B to A. When done with the toilet, just going actually 2 meters, open up the second fridge, and there's always beer in there. Somehow that happens. When I'm drunk, I'm refilling that for the next day. So open up wide, seeing how many beer in, and going back to my apartment room. We're actually live streaming. And smoking my cigarettes. One way to go. To a place with the coffin. I think we're done with that stuff, eh, aren't we? Why is it overtaking with you? Look at this fuck crack. What happened here? Beard. Oh, definitely beard. It's not night yet. Close to 3 o'clock, actually afternoon. Monday they're calling it. do one of these and then we're going actually back to the other career seasons. The Land of Snow. This is like actually a cheap car. Let's see the overclock. Is it cheap enough for 6? No, it said 8. We have only 6 overclock tokens or tickets. Damn it. Let's see if you can win in here. Easy peasy. Says me live streaming. It's the episode 251 on the complete 4. Let us say actually PlayStation Network account. I just didn't done the 4th time the plotting, but I can't deal on the plotting anymore. Let's just see. Oh, did I just cut myself actually there on my hand? Ah, damn it. Stupid woodcut facility. Why is it hurting now? Let's get some cream de la cream in it. Get a wound. Speeding up actually. Recovering. Or scream. Smells so good in here. A nip of tequila. Nobody's watching anymore. On time, I'm actually going to sleep. So need to go to job. The American goes to his job and the Japanese actually going to sleep again. We're actually wait for another hour, week, for the next job to coming up then. And the whole 280 or 300 days actually working starting all over again. So it's a 200 days a year. 200 days. 200 days. $1,200 plus Why is it then? Why is it only 20%? That's weird. Say a 6, right? Yeah, depends. It is like that. 23k. Something. That's crazy. I think the opkins in. Well, that's an electronic car? That's wonderful. Weird. I've done barrel rolls. Oh wow, 1 time, huh? Oh, can't go there anymore. So there are no barrel rolls to be done anymore, wood. Can't believe that. What the fuck? How should you know actually, but that's weird. I just want to have them all in one. Oh, my window is back. Like stay all the times on the right side then. Oh my gosh. Nope. Nope. There's no barrel roll anymore. What the fuck? It's all about actually the last event. Then you have the press and all these stuff. Hurry up stuff. Fuck this shit. It's 5 barrel rolls I can't deal done with. Just bullshit. So you have to crash that had happened or would. Or try. What a weird stage.
Mic is off.
can't forget. I know that you're sleeping lazy. I know that you got a thoughts. Give you no peace of rest. But now you're sitting smiles. And when they ask you why, you say there's nothing on my mind. There's nothing on my mind.
7 runs in perfect. Where? Thanks Ninja for following me.
Well, the last race, actually, I could actually deal down a 7 perfect runs or something. It's bullshit. Has it been in clean runs and sectors? I don't know. So close by actually some parked vehicles. Cleaning actually, or be cleaned run by somewhere else opponent's car away from second to first without hitting him. I do not know. Since now this is the fourth account, I know actually these 7 perfect runs or something, whatever they're called, clean runs, perfect runs, that was always a kind of a troubleshooting. Never won that one. You don't need. If you have the flags, you can go forward. Shut up. Campagna Strawberry City, so du skal på din XP. Så lidt. Barftstic. Cheers. One watcher, 111 minutes on the live stream, and a good Ford. Oh, exactly. Ten times, eh? The knockdowns. Jump bottom us. Hopefully it's not including myself. Gonna be a close one. I did it. Even if we crashed hardcore in the end, and again, and again, and again. Oh my gosh. The good old Great Britain music, man. Very fucking credit worth. 58k. Damn. "13 shockwaves, holy shit. They're crazy. Shockwaves. What kind of a race is this? I'm not gonna win this one. I think in this years or the last 20 years is more important to shoot people actually in some video games like Battlefield, Call of Duty. Actually, you've seen actually to get actually fame or something. These days actually just even done actually winnings over the racing games. So fucked up. That never was getting touched actually for real work. Our future.
My rear views like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom.
Ah, come on! I was not drifting anymore after I crashed the other vehicle over the bridge. Ah! No! Ah! Yeah, sure. Here we go. My microphone's off. I'm off.
Tapped by accident slip. Impist. I should now stop the shit live stream. Now the worst of week is getting in me. Where one mistake makes me hard mad. And the game gets also thocker. Made by Matt Human, depends and servered for Matt Human. Race game mode like crack. That was just luck. Forka here now in my crack hole.
Microphone on.
Got it. Prophet nicht zum Berg kommt, kommt der Berg zum Prophet. One career season, you need to deal on completing it. And then normally I should actually send a message to Gameloft and let them know actually the 5th December, that was the last time actually I saw my account on this career, by kind of a 50 or 43% on career percentage if they actually deal done with the flags. Maybe that happened, maybe not, maybe they don't have a backup for the server and we have to all over starting 3 months the whole stuff again for only one stupid trophy for get platinum. Waste 3 months, waste $10, waste actually a couple of 120 beers, 7 cigarette boxes. So we're talking about actually losing $240 in 3 months to reset the complete career mode, starting all over again with the whole game again, to only for 800 flags for gold trophy to platinum that one for another 3 months, another $240 maybe, or $500 for one rush through a platinum. What the fuck? This is so bitch ass. If you won in here or win in there, don't matter. Don't need to go forward anymore. Four times the stress. What can it say? 15 times actually that one. Shortcut hurts the most. To end up this game with no plotting. Easy peasy. You have a light car, normally, in real life, 7 times you get shot in your face. You're not alive anymore. Especially if I'm sitting in a cop car. Toraimasu. You never die. It's already half summer in here. It's fucking cold in here. Ache. Ah, that was that sword. Wanna have a 57? I think I'm surviving today a CarX D.R.O. Just race. Don't give a fuck about the chat. The CarX D.R.O. now. Never die. You're kidding me. Well, no, let's try. You wanna lose. Professional. Nice. Drifting helps a lot. Don't forget your speed. And just give a fuck about crashing the popo. Three simple fucking tricks. If there's no challenge about escaping in here, of course, then you're in real trouble. Yeah, Gelsenkirchen. All over the world now, the messages. Easy to steal in Germany money, eh? Must be Trump or something. Cashing in actually money wherever they want from. That in the end America has to be protected as hell for the politics and the multimillionaires. Has to see the whole rest of the world actually nuked or something. They're ready actually for the nuke world. But you never know to see that the American has a lot of actually treasures about hurricanes, kind of disasters, kind of infections about World Mother. Even they, the richest country then on earth, when they're stealing money, cash in, and all this stuff, exporting actually what the Germans did actually since 200 years. It doesn't matter how they make money. In the end, even the country America is still alive. They get so fast actually fucked up by Mother Nature. It doesn't matter how many billiards money they have, or trillions. They don't. It doesn't matter. They don't help out. The nuke flare came over. The nuke clouds came over. Can build whatever they want, like Fallout or something. The game. America is the worst point you just want to live when the nukes are falling. Flat land. Flat line. He's buying right now resources from all over the world with the military to force in. Like North Korea never tried before. They're just stealing money over actually digital accounts. In the end, the flora of the world just be destroyed by Trump, the worst president all over the world. I don't know how you're feeling, Americans, but seriously, it's just a dictator 2.0. Every 100 years. And it's more and more getting dictators on all over the world. Every fucking 100 years. And they even collab each other or just to kill each other. The worst peoples, that's actually ourselves. We're working for them. How cheap enough they just want to have us. Normally we should not work anymore. Because these mind faces thinking actually they're dealing done everything. But we're not making bankrupt actually, like bankrupt actually our jobs. Don't go into our jobs anymore. Like the people say, not earning money for simple stuff. Not paying the apartments anymore. Not paying actually something else. Not going to work anymore. It's just 80% of the whole world just actually say, we're not done something anymore. The internet is going down. I don't feel like that, because actually the rich peoples actually need the internet as well. The GPS, they need that. With 80% all over the world just say, go fuck yourself, I stay at home, I don't pay actually my apartment anymore or my home. I do nothing anymore for 1 year. The rich peoples, oh, they're dying out. They're really rotting out in these holes to be millionaires, billionaires. $100% actually our money need to raise for the next year then. Let's sign in for that one, huh? Not working.
Oh hell.
Not working anymore. 80% all over the world are working for actually the government, policy and war. Don't work anymore for 1 year. Let's see where the world is going on with this. Let's see what's coming up. They're not starting at war anymore. They need money. They don't have anymore. They're sinking like ships like the Titanic. We need a petite actually for the all the world, every country, that all the workers they're working, not working for a whole 365 days. Let's see what's going on then. Let's see what's going on with the world then, huh? And all our problems are solved.
Just an idea. Three, 6, 5 days no workers go to his job as the politic dry out for money to make war.
Exactly. If you make the second year, it's like actually you have Corby.
Bro, let us match.
Politics and the mighty super kings actually can't make actually doing a silent and saying, oh gosh, we have no money anymore. We can't actually bomb some countries anymore because we can't send any military warriors anymore around or soldiers actually into these countries because they quit this job. But he's actually 365 days they just stay at home. Nobody forced them actually to go forward anymore. They stopped milking us for making war. Just for protest. That's the best protest I think it should happen. Stop working. Stop going to military. For 365 days. Every one of yours. Don't go to school, stay at home. For 365. Even to have actually some money from your taxes or something the last year. They're running out very fast. They can't renovate actually the silos where actually the atom bombs or the what's they calling submarines they can't actually finance anymore. The tax market, they're just falling. Everything's crashing. Give us double times the money for something is not a reason. If you stop war, then maybe be working one by one. It takes more than 3 years actually to starting all over the world by 80% population again to work.
Can you make a room?
And then let's see how the politics actually working with us, with us or each other then. That's so simple, right? To stop war.
Are you listening?
You're not listening what I'm talking about, huh? Aren't you?
Mic off for good, Costolen here. Last race. By YouTube versus Asphalt Legends unite on 4X these 8 month.